Hey, y'all, I can't believe it. Seems like yesterday I was sitting in this chair wishing y'all a happy new year, a happy 2025. And here I still sit. I'm coming in to wish y'all a happy 2026. Wow. The days can go slow and the years can go so fast, can't they? Well, we've had quite a year. A lot has been going on. And I hope that you are all looking for good things, great things in this new year. I pray that God gives us peace and grace. I always need a little grace. I know this has been an exciting year in the fact that Jack, my oldest grandson, is just completing half of a freshman year at Harvard. Never would have thought when he was a little boy that that's where he would wind up going as an adult, a young adult. But, and then I've got, I think, 2 or 3 that's fixing to enter their freshman year at high school. Oh my gosh. I need somebody else to start having some more babies because I don't really have any little ones anymore. They won't let me hold them and rock them and no, Guinea, no. And I'll go to kiss Linton on the top of his hand and he said, no, Guinea, not right now. But I hope to see y'all in the next year. I will be coming in and out of Pigeon Forge, Paula Deen's Family Kitchen in Pigeon Forge, and Paula Deen's Family Kitchen in Myrtle Beach, and Nashville, Tennessee, the Paula Deen Family Kitchen there. And last but not least, a place that I love going, and that's Branson, Missouri. I just love going to that little town, and it really fills up with people during the year. So hopefully I will see y'all there, and I hope I'm going to have some really exciting news for y'all in the coming year. If I do, I'll share it. If I don't, I'll keep my mouth shut. How's that? So y'all go and spread the love, enjoy your family, and I wish you luck with your New Year's resolutions. Personally, I don't make any because I'm just setting myself up for failure because I don't want to break them, but I know I'll break them. But I got that big one down, the quit smoking when I finally got that down. So good luck to y'all. God bless and be safe bringing in the new year. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.